Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm pretty sure y'all don't see all of these, but let's try to move it in a little bit. So a little bit. So we have all of these colors. This is just my Not Polished collection. I just want to do some swatches so y'all can see like the colors on here. I use a white paper towel so y'all can see like the true color a bit. In a sense, I mean clear would be a true color, but I don't have clear, so I'm using a white paper towel. It's a look for me. I wish I could show them from like a different camera, like you looking at me, my sister in the back. But yeah, so I'm gonna just pick random colors and then we're gonna swatch it. So this is Cotton Candy. Dang, these paper towels so cheap. Look how I just went through. Let's see what I used. The one that I used. So this is Cotton Candy. I think it's a pretty nice, vibrant-ish pink color. So this is Pleasure. So when I was looking at somebody's like swatches, it looked more like pink than I thought it was. It's not really that pink. Like it's like a natural pink type of acrylic color in a sense. I don't know. I definitely used to get this when I used to go to the nail salon and get my nails done. Instead of clear acrylic, I would get this color right here. This color here is Tender Lavender. I've been looking for a lavender color for a little while now and I still cannot like find it. I thought this was it, but again, when I looked at the lady's swatch that swatched this, it looked lavender, but this gives like a lilac type of color to me. More like, not even really lilac, it's like, I want to say it's like just a light pink, like a really light pink. Next we have Smoke Purple. This is pretty bright. Not like bright, but it's like very vibrant, like kind of like it. Let's stop this. Next we have Electricity. And this is like a nice orange. Wouldn't really say it's like the perfect orange, but it's pretty nice. I use Valentino Beauty Purist orange, but I wouldn't say these are the same color, but it's not as chalky as the Valentino Beauty Pure. So the next color we have is Brain Freeze. This is giving me like a royal blue type of color. I like this color. The next color we have is Azure. I'm thinking that's how you say it. Azure. I don't know. Azure. This is more like a baby blue type of color. The next color we have is Blonded Moment. I was looking for like a nice yellow color because I needed like a calm yellow type of acrylic color. Because, you know, we need flavors. We need flavors, honey. So this is okay. I mean, I don't know how to explain this yellow. Like, it's like a childish type of yellow. I don't know how to explain it. So the next color we have is Hot Lime Bling. Come on and focus. Hot Lime Bling. I was looking for like some green colors. Like, I just want different flavors of everything pretty much. So this is like a nice neon green. I'm gonna show y'all all these colors zoomed in and y'all could like look at it like up close. Next color we have is Wicked Mind. Second Nude. the camera. Second nude, I think it's a pretty okay color. I definitely want some different nudes. What we have is coral pink. It is looking a little peachy, but not like crazy peachy, but like a light peachy. Next color is Feeling Lucky. I better win some money, honey. Feeling Lucky. I guess that's, it's not focusing. I kind of messed up because I was cleaning up my brush here. Like, there's so many different colors on this thing, but it's okay. I'll show you. So the last color we have is Milky White. Milky White. It's not looking so milky. I messed it up, so I'm gonna do the Milky White twice because I still have some green on my brush. Still kind of do have some green on my brush, but Milky White is just, like I said, Milky White. It's a little nut white, I guess, but it's not that nut white. Like, it's not nut white. Like, it's just Milky White, just as it says. But okay, so that's gonna be the end of this swatch video. I will be doing some more companies that I have a lot of colors of, or I might just do like black owned companies together because I don't have that many of them. Simply because when I'm trying to do black owned, let me just show y'all this while I chat so y'all can sit here and look at these colors and match it up. You can also pause it if it's not that much time for you to match it. But this is what we have. This is what we have. So yeah, I might do black owned businesses because I don't have that many colors, because with the black owned, you literally have to be, it's like the Hunger Games when you're trying to buy that stuff. So that's what's going on with that. But this is what we have. I'll do another swatch video another day, and I will see you guys in my next video.